Hey there, Erica Soba bringing another marketing tip. If you're struggling posting content on your social media page, number one, you might want to check out my content creation bootcamp. But number two, start answering those frequently asked questions. Take note of what it is that your clients are asking you very commonly. Answer it. And as you answer that question, that's your post for the day. Pay attention to social media, the different Facebook groups that you're a part of that are related to the service that you provide. If there's anybody that's asking a question that you know you have the answer to, number one, answer it in social media. But number two, make that a post yourself on your Facebook business page. I'd also encourage you to check out Quora.com, which is a free question and answer site. Let me show you how it works. Head on over to Quora.com. If I were a health and wellness coach and I wanted to know what people were asking about the word nutrition, I would type nutrition in the search bar. All the questions that people are asking about nutrition are listed on this page. How important is good nutrition? If I were to answer this question, that would be my post for Monday. What fundamentals should everyone know about nutrition? If I were to answer this question, I would post that on Tuesday. On Wednesday, I'll answer the question, what misconceptions are common? And I can go all the way down this list of questions. Now, I don't want to completely focus on nutrition because health and wellness is such a wide umbrella and it encompasses more than just nutrition. But this gives you a great starting point as to answering questions that are frequently asked. Remember, people want valuable, educational, and entertaining information, and answering the questions that your target audience has, it is valuable and educational. And depending on what you do to answer that question, it could also be entertaining, which is a triple win. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Follow me for more marketing tips, and I'll see you in the next video.